Our topic for this video is linear equation. Linear equation is a first-degree equation in the form ax plus b is equal to 0 where a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So, pag sinabi nating linear equation, the highest exponent of the variable is 1. So, that is also called as one-degree equation. So, pwede tayong magkaroon ng isang variable, pwede ring dalawang variable, as long as hindi magkatabi yung dalawang variable. So, example of linear equation is x plus 5 is equal to negative 7. So, ang exponent ng ating variable is 1, kaya siya tinawag na linear equation. Next, we have 2m minus 3n is equal to 10. Ito naman yung linear equation in two variable. Kasi ang variable na natin ay m at n. Pero linear equation pa rin sila kasi ang highest exponent natin is 1. Another example. So we have number 1, we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. So ito yung meron tayong dalawang variable, si x tsaka si y. So parehong 1 yung exponent nila. So number 1 is linear equation. Number 2, we have 5a to the second power minus 1 is equal to 12. So nakita natin na meron na tayong exponent na 2. Sabi natin kapag linear equation na exponent lang is 1. So dahil nagkaroon na tayo ng 2 as exponent, number 2 example is not a linear equation. Next, number 3. M squared plus n squared is equal to 8. Katulad ni number 2, meron na tayong squared as an exponent, kaya number 3 is not a linear equation. Number 4, we have 3a plus b is equal to 10. So, linear equation in two variable, pero ang highest exponent is 1, kaya number 4 is linear equation. Next, number 5, we have square root of y plus 3 is equal to 5. Dahil meron tayong square root, kapag ginawa natin yung exponent, that will be y raised to 1/2. So, 1/2 yung kanyang exponent, so this is not a linear equation. Number 6, we have 9x minus 2 is equal to 20. Ang variable natin ay x, at ang exponent natin is 1, so number 6 is linear equation. Next, number 7, we have 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. We have two variables, then ang exponent nila ay parehong 1. So, number 7 is also linear equation. Si number 6 ay linear equation in one variable, kasi isa lang yung variable. At si number 7 naman is linear equation in two variables, kasi dalawa na yung variable, si x tsaka si y. Next, number 8, we have 3a minus 1 is equal to 2a plus 1. So, tignan natin yung variable a. Ang exponent niya ay 1. So, number 8, that is linear equation. So, I hope naintindihan kung paano malalaman if the given equation is linear. Basta lagi nilang iisipin na dapat ang ating exponent is 1 or ang degree ng ating equation ay 1. Hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng squared, hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng cube. Dapat isa lang or 1 lang ang ating exponent. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong video.